Hey, MonkeyBoo, are you excited? Alright guys, it's MonkeyBoo's birthday this weekend. Yeah, Sunday's his birthday. It's his Friday weekend bath video. Yeah, he's gonna do a video. What's special about this video is we're gonna wash Boo really quick. He's got a snack there. You guys get to watch Boo enjoying the hair dryer. He loves it. So we're gonna wash real quick bath, Boo. Let me check that water, man. Make sure it's right. A little hot, ain't it? Oh, that's spicy. Oh, that's more your temperature. You like that? Man, you got tomato skins in the sink and stuff, man. Go on ahead now. It's fine now. Oh, it's not hot now. Gotta get it just right for Boo. Come on, man. There you go. Good job, Boo. We're doing a really quick bath, okay? Get his backside rinsed off. Get him good. Get him wet. Let me get his belly. We've got a cucumber in the bath. Gage, you want a bite?
I'm good.
Who would eat that cucumber out of the bath?
Who definitely would.
Happy would. Happy loves cucumber. Right there. Oh yeah, MonkeyBoo is getting all clean. So Boo has got a male birthday party. Literally, you guys are gonna get to spend probably an hour worth of videos. We may do a part 1 and part 2. I counted up, we had 45 boxes, and we also have a lot of cool packages that have come in for Miss Mila, our little girl monkey that lives with us now. Yeah, and we're probably gonna do her video on Happy's channel. We'll see. I'll let you guys know in Boo's mail video. But Boo has got a lot of birthday mail from you guys. He loves everybody so much. There's so much cool stuff. Kind of peeked through and took a sneak peek. Boo, you got boogies. Let's get his boogies out. All right, Boo. We're gonna get the hair dryer, man. I gotta do your tail and your legs back here. And this monkey backside. Let me get this thing under here. All right, Boo. He says, I love this hot water. It's the best. Boo, but your hair dryer's nice too. So let's rinse off real fast. Hurry. Boo, everybody wants to see you with the hair dryer. Hurry up. Alright, Mr. Boo. Rinsed off really good now. No more soap. Let me check his ears. Clean ears. He just had a bath yesterday. He's clean. He's all clean. He said, this is just my special birthday bath. All right, Boo, to the hair dryer, sir. Let me dry you real quick like this one time. Just once with the towel, sir. Now, Boo, the hair dryer is not to play with, it's to dry off with. Okay? So here we go, ready? Let's dry you off our way. You dry you off things here, see that. It looks very good, dude. Oh, nice one. Fingers on. I can dry your backside. Oh man, come on, you dry yourself. It's real wet. pour some more. All right, MonkeyBoo. All right, MonkeyBoo. You're all done. Are you ready to start your birthday weekend? Yeah, are you excited? You shake my hand. Oh, he's a good boy. Give me a kiss. Oh boy. All right, guys. We got lots of birthday mail videos over the weekend, and on Sunday we'll have MonkeyBoo's birthday party video. Right, Boo? Yeah. So it's gonna be a celebration. MonkeyBoo's gonna be 10 years old on Sunday. Give everybody kisses, Boo. All right. See you guys.